Right guys, we are at ROKT, mine and Dylan's home gym. He's here behind the camera. We've got a brand new set in the North Light. So yeah, let's go. First climb of the day, we're going to do a purple on Beyonce. Gets about V5 to V6 grade, so hopefully it goes well. Yeah. But messed it again.
How's that?
Not bad for the first climb. I'd done it in the previous session, so
Retro flash?
Retro flash, yeah.
This is Phil. Hi Phil.
Alright. Oh, mixed grill.
Mixed grill. He's getting on this purple.
Yeah.
And he's straight off the purple.
Yeah, Dylan made that look easy. It's not.
No? Is that your first go on it?
That was first attempt.
Alright.
We'll give it a brush.
Not the end of the world.
Nah, we'll give it a brush and get back on.
Lovely.
Yeah.
How does it feel to come so close?
Quite annoying, but pleased I worked out the start. Spot for the heel.
Full commitment there from Phil.
Yeah. Coming out too much so I don't face plant into the big yellow, which is right by your face. Right hard.
What are we jumping on, Gus?
Gonna jump on this purple. We've had a flash from Dylan and a couple good attempts from Phil, so we'll see what it's about.
Flash from
nice.
you, Gus? Flash from you?
I see the shoulder tension Phil was talking about there, but just about kept it on. We're getting another screw.
This is gonna do it. This is it.
It's gonna break
It's
it.
going to make no difference for me, but it'll stop other people complaining.
What are we getting on, Chloe?
The green.
What grade do greens get?
Oh my god. What grade does the green
V4 to
get?
V6.
V4 to V6.
Nice. How's it going?
I've had a lot of goes. I've got to the last move, but I just can't hold the match.
Let's go. Yeah. This is the one.
Now I feel under pressure.
Bit of red light pressure.
It's gonna go.
It will. I'm going to try sitting on my heel, like you said.
You're going to sit on the heel?
But in a bit.
was that? How was that, Pink?
It was lovely. It made me feel like I can climb again.
I feel it's purple on here. It's also a massive dyno, but good jugs. And then either, if you're feeling really stupid, you've got a size dyno to there, or if you want to be boring and play it safe, this little crimp, and then underneath, pretty spicy set this time round, really.
Ended up on a flogger.
Oh, you did warn me maybe the side dyno doesn't go. I still would like to do the side dyno.
I hate to say I told you so, Gus.
It's going to take a lot to convince me that that's not the better way to do it.
Gus has been trying side dyno.
You're not going to try it?
Yeah, I'm not going to try it. I'm going to show you the proper way to do it.
Oh, sounds uneventful.
Probably will be after I drop it. I mean, I got the retro flash now, but a couple of days ago I was absolutely dying on that climb.
Really?
Yeah.
Which bit was getting you?
It was a bit with the dropping down.
Yeah, it doesn't look
Took
too
me
easy.
forever.
I mean, I have pretty much stuck with the sideways dyno up till now, but
Yeah, I mean, I don't
I'm gonna have to give it.
It's gonna really work, man.
I should probably top this climb, really.
Yeah.
But
Or else everyone's gonna think you're weak.
yeah, we can't have that.
Yeah, because I'm the weak one.
Are you the weakest one here?
I'm the
Yes.
weakest one here.
Yeah, I'm going to try Dylan's beater because it didn't look that bad. But I'll probably come back to the side dyno.
Little proj.
Proj.
Like to be out.
Felt pretty desperate, yeah. I really thought I might ping off that, but
Which beater would you say is better? The side dyno?
definitely the side dyno.
Comp style.
Definitely side dyno.
What?
What are we on?
I don't know.
Thinking. They're all
Okay.
really hard,
Okay.
aren't they?
What should you get? That's your choice.
Oh, this yellow. Yeah, Louis yellow.
Oh, alright.
I've heard it's pretty hard.
Yeah, I've only given it one attempt a couple of sessions ago. He got changed because it was too hard.
I think this is the first thing I've climbed that Louis set, you know.
It was really hard. desperate.
That looks pretty sustained.
Yeah, but
There's not really any breaks.
yeah, I mean, I think I'm supposed to get the foot up, but I tried to camp sit.
Who would do that?
I don't really know why.
Look at
This
that.
is what we're holding.
Look at that. Yes. Punched myself in the stomach. Yeah, that impingement's really thin, just like I thought. Yeah, it was good effort on that.
Attempt number 2. Let's try to get a little bit further this time, maybe.
Nice.
Glad I got that. That was a bit of a fight at the top. Didn't really expect to get that far.
Second crimp?
Yeah, I did. I don't think it's really necessary, to be honest. If you go for your ret.
Yeah, just fight through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that crimp's like a massive sandbag. Your ret's bomber there. Yeah, cool.
So, yeah, red. The hardest bit about it is literally the jump and try to catch that. I mean,
This little...
yeah, it's just blocked.
Very little, is it? Big slot, but... you're coming from really far.
Yeah, I mean, without it, it's just like a normal slap.
Give us a little demo.
Oh, don't expect much. Yeah.
That's
Hard to
pretty good
get your fingers right in there.
You tried the rest of it?
I have not, no.
No?
No.
I think we're just going to have to try it loads of times and eventually it's going to stick in. And hopefully the rest of the climb's not too bad.
Oh, not really that confident at the moment. I mean,
It's shutting us down pretty hard, isn't it?
like, I've been shut down before. Shut down equally as hard.
Yeah, come on.
Oh!
Heartbreak.
That has pissed me off. So I'm not a sweat.
Well, is your mum going to be watching?
Oh,
What's she going to say?
Nope. You see all 4 fingers.
Yeah, come on. Come on, trust it. Slap up for your
Get it on. Nope. That was a bit pathetic.
Do you think it's going to go?
No, I can't get my foot on the hold.
We're going to move on.
Yeah, I'm not flexible enough. absolutely devastating.
I don't know, that was pretty terrifying. I kind of expected that. I'm just glad I didn't take my teeth out on that black.
Send.
That was super sketch.
How's the last move?
Terrifying, but it is a cool move. I'm glad it's done and I don't have to do it again.
Yeah. Red Diner from the old set. It's pretty cool, we've tried it before and it's a cool double catch move.
That's sweet. Yeah.
Retro flash, haven't planned that in a while. So, pretty nice to know that I've still got it. Bit of a placebo effect going on here, Gus.
That's all good brushing is. Yeah, we're getting on this this yellow. This side of the north light is getting reset soon, so we're gonna try this little project. It's definitely one of the harder climbs up here.
Let's see how it goes. 2 week.
Super flat slopers. That's pretty good though for a first course today. This middle section.
Nearly even got a flash.
I've tried it like 50 times probably. But it felt alright. I think that might be it for the session.
We're calling that quits?
Yeah.